Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys one of my all-time favorite meals. And it is a delicious sandwich. I just love sandwiches because they're easy and quick to make, and they're just amazing for parties, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So let's get to work. Like always, I'm going to leave the entire recipe down below in the description box for you. For today's video, we're gonna definitely need a delicious piece of bread. I'm having here a delicious baguette. I always try to be balanced, hence I'm taking delicious lean turkey or chicken breast. I have here chicken breast. And then of course the lettuce, that's also a must-have. I love that one. Next, we're gonna need basil because basil makes life fresh and your sandwich too. And a delicious ripe tomato. Some goat cheese I have here, low fat, and salami low fat. This is my favorite. I just love it. And then we have 1 egg, medium size, some ghee, homemade. I'm going to put the link down below so you can make your own ghee at home. I have here some hot sauce and some low fat mayo. That's it, guys. Let's get to work. First step is to heat up your pan. You're going to slice your tomato. It's time to prepare the dressing. So I'm taking here the hot sauce and then adding the low-fat mayo. If you like, you could also add some sort of herbs, or you can even add some garlic or roasted onions. Whatever you like is always correct, specifically with a sandwich. Sandwiches are amazing because you just can be as creative as you like and just try new things out, because this is what cooking is about. Make sure you ask me all your questions about cooking in the description box down below. Next is time to take our bread, cut it in a piece that we think is sufficient, and then we're just gonna cut it through half. You could roast it if you like. I didn't do it because the crust itself was already so crunchy and so fresh. I had no need to make it warm or to make a crust, but you can do it. You could do it just now, add the oil into the pan and then let it heat up and roast your bread. You could also do it in the oven, but for today I'm fine. I'm just gonna fry my egg and make a nice sunny side up egg. This is how I like it. I like the yolk runny, so I'm not gonna make it look white or something by putting a lid on. I just like it the way it is. Specifically with ghee, it's just delicious. It's super simple, but one of the tastiest things that you can eat. Like, I really love it. And guys, you wouldn't believe, we are almost done. We're just gonna add our sauce on both sides of the bread. Spread it. That's it. It's just so easy. Now it's time to add all our ingredients on top of the sauce. So I just add a little bit of the ghee from the pan, hot ghee. It just makes everything more delicious. Like, you gotta try it to know what I'm talking about. Just try that out and leave me a comment. It is just epic. It's one of those secret little things that you can do to enhance the flavor of your sandwich. Next is time to add your tomatoes. And then I'm adding a little bit of salt because it makes things even more delicious. So never forget the salt. And then just put your salami on your other side of the bread. Now it's time for your chicken breast or turkey breast, whatever you like to take. Put it on top of the tomatoes or on top of the salami. It doesn't really matter. I just like those layers to be kind of like spreaded. Kind of like a little bit of the chicken, then the salad, then the egg, and then on the other side having the salami taste. It's just me. You can do you. It doesn't matter. There are no rules. It doesn't change the function of the sandwich, obviously. Now just add your cheese. And then it's time for the egg. I love that. Wow, look at this deliciousness. I mean, it just looks perfect. I just love eggs. Last but not least, it's time for the basil. I think herbs are really a must-have in kind of any dish. First of all, they're very healthy, and second, they bring the extra flavor in. Like, it's just next level. Try it out. Now, this is it, guys. Lunch is done. It's perfect for meal prep for the day. It looks always amazing, and it just tastes gorgeous. I mean, like, seriously. I just love sandwiches. I don't know about you. Let me know what are kind of like your favorite foods. Also, what I like about it is that you can kind of balance it out by taking a little bit more healthier ingredients, like low fat kind of stuff, which is not a big compromise in the taste, but a big compromise in the calories. So whenever I crave something like this, I just would go for that option that I here and there take the low fat version. Yeah, let me know what you think about that, or if you would just even skip the bread. Just let me know how you balance out your recipes or your diet, or if you need more tips about that. Guys, time to try this epic sandwich here. I'm gonna just do that for you guys because I know you're not here. I'm gonna do that, and mom today's also not here, so I'm gonna have all of that for myself alone. The thing with a good sandwich is taste, and what brings good taste in is sauces, herbs, fat if you need that. In this case, I have a little bit of ghee in it. Make sure you make your own ghee at home. It's beautiful and tasty. And we have all these different kind of layers that we put on. So I'm very, very, very curious of how this is going to taste. Let me get a big bite of it so that you guys can actually hear the sound of that bread and all of that. It just looks beautiful, isn't it? A big thumb up in the comments, please, for the look. Okay, let's try it. 1, 2, 3. Super juicy. Wow. Really, really, really good. I mean, really nice. Guys, super easy to make. No time, and just full of flavor. Try it out. It's a perfect dinner. It's a party food. It's like good for kind of everything. If you have a cheat at the weekend and you're doing usually low carb or something, this is a good go-to. So try it out and let me know what you think. Guys, thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Do not forget to hit the like button, to hit the subscribe button, and to come back next week on Friday, maybe Saturday, or even Sunday, maybe all of them, because I'm gonna upload another amazing recipe video. Stay tuned. Isn't it wonderful that we all have more than enough to eat every day on our plates? Yes, it is. But unfortunately, this is not the truth for many kids on this planet. For less than 70 cents a day, you can share a meal with Share a Meal. Actually, 3 meals with 1 child. So let's make a difference. I'm gonna leave a link down below. You can follow it. It's so easy to share a meal. I'm so grateful that you helped me to make a difference. Thank you.